Welcome back to day 30. I am so proud of you, friends, for being here for 30 full days. I want to congratulate you because you've done something that most people won't do. You've gone for 30 days. You're staying here. You're trying to figure it out. And guess what? I'm here on this journey with you. So we're going to work on this together. Day 30, confidence to cash milestone. It is the craziest thing to think that 30 days ago you were trying to start something and now you're succeeding. So take a moment and let's let that sink in. You've been consistently showing up and putting in work for an entire month. This milestone deserves recognition because it represents something truly special in your entrepreneurial journey. Think about back whenever you start on day one. You began with nothing but a vision and the courage to take that first step. Since then, you developed crucial habits, creating valuable content, learned to manage your time effectively, and began building systems that serves the foundation of your future success. This isn't small achievements. They're building blocks to sustainable business. What makes your journey practically noteworthy is that you've overcome one of the biggest hurdles in business: consistency. Most people give up way long before they reach the 30-day mark. They get discouraged by the lack of immediate results or they're overwhelmed by the daily demands. But you've proven you're different. You've shown up day after day. And even when it wasn't the easiest or convenient, your commitment to this process demonstrates something crucial about your success in this business. It's not built on dramatic overnight transformations. Instead, it's constructed through small, deliberate actions taken consistently over time. Each piece of content you've created, every bit you've formed, and all of the systems you've implemented are coming together to create small, meaningful somethings. Let's take a moment and let's reflect on your certain achievements. Think about the habits that you developed. The habits that you developed, they weren't part of the routine 30 days ago. Consider the content you've created. It didn't exist before. Remember the clarity you've gained about your business direction and the confidence that you built in your abilities? Today's task is simple but powerful. First, take out your journal and open it up to a new document and write down your top 3 wins in the past 30 days. They can be tangible achievements like launching a new product or intangible ones like becoming more confident in your messaging. Be certain and give yourself credit for how far you've come. Next, we want to take this time to share one of the wins to our community. This isn't just about bragging. It's about acknowledging your progress and inspiring others who might just be a few steps behind you in your journey, but your success story could actually be what someone else needs to hear to keep them going. Remember that success in business isn't about reaching those big milestones. It's about recognizing and celebrating the small victories along the way. These daily wins, when stacked up over time, create the foundation of your lasting success. You're not just building a business, you're building the habits and the mindset of a successful entrepreneur. As we look ahead to that next phase of your journey, carry this momentum forward. The habits, the systems that you built over the past 30 days are just the beginning, friends. You've proven to yourself that you can commit to a goal and follow through consistently. That's a superpower in the business world. Before you wrap up today's session, make sure that you download the reflection worksheet you prepared. Use it to document your journey so far and to set your intentions to the next phase. Tomorrow we'll begin day 31 with renewed energy and even greater clarity about what it takes to build a successful business. Keep showing up, keep taking action, and keep celebrating. I'm so proud of you, and I cannot wait to help you on day 31 and beyond. You've got this. Let's go.